Hello and welcome to my 17th Python tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be talking about the the random module, which we get by typing import random, which I have already done, so I'm gonna redo that by restarting the show. Import random. Now we have random. And as you may be able to tell, I have done the help and then random, but I'm not going to press enter because, well, that gives us a lot of lines. And this data section gives us a couple of the functions in the random module. So let's start off with some random.random. Let's see what this does. Random.random just comes up with some random number between 0 and 1. Random.random comes up with something different every time based on some complex algorithm. Of course, it's not truly random because no computer is truly random, and it can only appear random, but it's never random. Never. No matter how convincing it is, it's not random. Just an algorithm. Anyway, rand int it takes 3 parameters, although there's one invisible parameter named self, like in our classes. So it's just really 2 you have to type in. 1 and 8, separated by a comma, of course, because they're 2 different ones. And we get 7. Random.randint. And 8, we get 3. So we get 2 different numbers. Seems pretty random for now. That's all we need. Random.uniform. This also accepts 3 parameters with 1 invisible one. So we're gonna do 1, 8 also. And randint comes up with a whole number or an integer. This comes up with a floating point number that seems even more random because it is too many decimal places to count. Random.choice. This takes a string as its parameters. So we're gonna put noob, because that's my favorite word. Chooses one of the letters at random and put that in kind of quotes, because not really random, but it chose an O. Random.choice. Noob. Chose O again, but it has a 50% chance, so oh well. Let's do it again. Hopefully it doesn't keep coming up with O again. Alright, so it's not going to. That's pretty much all up here. Also, there's random.randrange, which can accept 2 or 3 parameters, not including the invisible self parameter, and 1, 10. It'll pick something between 1 and 10, or to make things even cooler, random dot rand range 1 comma 10 comma 5. So it chooses a number randomly that's a multiple of 5, or 5 in addition to 1. So let's run that again. 6, because it will keep doing 6, because it's the only thing it can do, or 1 in this case, because, well, 1 plus 5 plus 0, and then it can't be 11, so let's take this and let's make it 0, and this 100. That should be better. Yeah, there. Alright, so to remember for the random dot rand range, it sounds like road rage. That's nice. It's this number between this number, and it's always an integer. And then the additional third parameter is for multiples plus the first parameter, because when this was 1, we added the multiple of 5 to it. It wasn't just 25 or whatever. If this is 2, we get 57. So it's supposed to be 55, but it's not. Yeah. That pretty much wraps it up for this tutorial. I will see you next time.